Alright, no more skipping around, no BS, just going straight into this video. Fishing backwaters, hoping to catch some tarpon. We're using live mullet, the gear and stuff like that. Will be in the link in the description below. Don't want to talk yada yada yada, I just want to get straight into this fishing. Let's do this. Hope you guys enjoy. Like, subscribe, comment, whatever you guys want to do. Feedback is always a good thing. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoy it, and let's get straight into the action. So I got a bunch of mullet that are like this big, which is a good size mullet for right now. I'm just gonna be pitching them around. Oh, the tarpon right now, I believe a lot of them are coming from out and towards from the river. So I'm just gonna literally wait at the spot where they usually are and have them come to me. That way I'm not spooking them away. Keywords, hopefully. You know, there are glass minnows everywhere, more than there was last time I was here. It's a good thing though. I mean, I got some good sized mullet, but you see all those tarpon right there. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wait until I see a tarpon roll and cast in that area. Oh my god, that was a big fish. Wasn't even paying attention. Let me cast back out, see if they'll eat it. See if my mullet's still alive. Oh, he's kicking alright. Oh, he got eaten. He got ripped. Dang, he missed it again. Oh, there's some good sized tarpon in here. Really nice sized tarpon. So hopefully we can hook up on one. Hopefully we can catch one. But if not, it's okay. I just want to hook up. My mullet's getting chased, my mullet's getting chased. If you saw him on the water. Oop, 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 oop. Look at that. Holy crap. Got it. Gotta be quiet because there's... Oh my god, that was sick. That was sick. That was so sick. That was awesome. I don't want to scare the other ones because there's bigger ones over there. Come here, bud. Oh my god, that was so sick. Oh god, he's barely hooked. He's skin hooked a bit. Come here. Oh man, why do you have to get all the cameras wet? And come here. Almost jumped right in the boat. Just open your mouth for me. Just like that. And look at that, the hook popped right out. Oh, look at that, guys. Not a bad one at all. Not too shabby. Not too shabby. Not a bad tarpon. 2 3-pounder maybe. Nice size. Ate that thing, baby. Ate it. Absolutely ate it. Here's the release. Come on, buddy. Oh, look at that. There he goes. Sweet. That was by far one of the coolest tarpon bites I've ever seen or witnessed. Let's get another one now. I just dropped that mullet right in his face, and they're slurping them up like candy. Even though they're eating glass minnows, if you throw a mullet in a tarpon's face, it's hard for them to resist it. See, I think I'm gonna definitely catch a fish back here because no one could go through this or would want to go through this. This is the key. I mean, look at all this. This tree wasn't like this before at all. I just gotta be careful about my bait and stuff like that. But you know, we living out here. You just gotta make full sends, right guys? Full sends. There he is, baby. Tarpony. Little small guy though. Small guy. I knew there'd be some back here. Oh my god, he jumped right in the boat almost. Gee, oh god. I mean, I touched him, so it counts. Oh, spider, jeez. This line might fray. Got him. There it is, hooks out. Hooks out. Nice little tarpon. There he goes. Yeah, boy. Alright. Not giving up on you guys. So I went to go get some more bait. Man, these tarpon need to eat my freaking bait. Oh, just like that. Holy crap. 1, 2, 3. Oh! Oh, I just got hit. I'm under. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's fighting like a catfish. And it is.